Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Wednesday, November 20th of 2019, with the morning announcements for today. Boys and girls, if you have not returned those report card envelopes yet, please do so. So I'm going to be checking at the end of the week to see who has the most report card envelopes in, to see possibly we get a special treat for that winning class that has the most report card envelopes in. So let's make sure we get those in by the end of the week. Birthday list. No birthdays today. Kind of exhausted all of them yesterday. So we had a whole bunch of birthdays yesterday. So no birthdays to announce for today. And our lunch choices is our holiday lunch today. So we have roast turkey or smoked ham. Has a whole bunch of different sides that go along with it. And then also some butter and jelly you could get too, if that's something that you want to use a different option. I told you yesterday we were going to do special things for Thanksgiving about giving thanks. So for our pause, what we're going to be doing from here on out till next Tuesday, which would be the last day we're at school before Thanksgiving break, we're going to continue doing like what we saw on Kid President yesterday. Alright, boys and girls, today we're doing something special. Remember from our Kid President video, we are doing things that we are thankful for. So we have second grade students who wrote down what they were thankful for and the reason why.
I'm thankful for my mom and dad because they feed me. I'm thankful for my mom and dad because they help me with homework. I'm thankful for my dog because she always plays with me.
Those are good examples. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much, guys, for those giving thanks to special people and things. So we will continue that with a new group for tomorrow. At this time, let's have a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. Alright, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everyone have a great week. We're halfway through the week on a Wednesday here, so let's make sure we make it the best day yet.